In this Keep Teaching video, we are going to go over how to do a quick lecture capture using Zoom, the web conferencing platform. To get to Zoom, the quickest way is to go to the Humboldt State University webpage, go into your My Humboldt page, and under the Faculty and Staff Resources is a link to HSU's Zoom portal. So this page takes a minute to load. The URL for that is humboldtstate.zoom.us, but this is the easiest way to not have to remember that. So you know you've arrived at it when you arrive at this lovely photo of Founders Hall. You can host a meeting directly from here. So I'm going to host a meeting with video on. It's going to download a Zoom client if you don't already have one on your computer. It's just a few processes that are going to run in the background. And there is our meeting. I have a webcam, so I have video going. I can stop the video. I can select which webcam I want to use. If you don't have one, you can completely run this without video. That is not required. The one requirement is the audio. So you do need to join with audio. You can join with the computer's audio. If for some reason it doesn't seem to be working, you can test the speakers and microphone. This plays a little tone so you can test if you can hear it. And then this plays an echo back. To make sure that you've got a microphone and speakers that are working. Speakers are not nearly as important in lecture capture either, but you'll want to make sure that you are unmuted and that you are recording. So here's the record button. I'm going to record to the cloud. That is going to be the easiest way to share it with your students without having to download the video and take storage space on Canvas. So this alert may pop up repeatedly if you do not unmute yourself and it detects that you have conversation going. The last piece here is sharing your screen. There we go. So the share your screen has lots of options. You can use a whiteboard, you can share a file, and you can just share your PowerPoint and click through the slides as long as it's on the screen. So you can share your screen. I'm not going to share screen currently. That is the basic parts of lecture capture. When you're done, you can stop the recording. If you don't and you end the meeting, it will save the entire lecture for you. So that is lecture capture quickly.